Welcome back to day 2 of the trip, guys. Today we're heading up to Terengganu. It's currently hammering it down. Welcome to monsoon season in Malaysia on the east coast. That's what we're dealing with at the moment, guys, but it's all right. We're gonna head up to Terengganu. It's about 11 o'clock. Head up there, probably stop on the way, get a little bit of food, and basically hopefully there's going to be some waves up there, because Cherating there's been none. So yeah, let's hit the road. So we've just stopped at someone's house. I don't know what we're doing. Hey guys. Hey guys. How are you? Right, so we're going down to the beach apparently. Let's go. Right, okay, so we are now just stopped for a little bit of food. This guy's so cool, this guy right here. We're stopped for a little bit of food, then we're jumping on the road, hitting right up to Terrengganu, punching up there, and hopefully there'll be some waves so we can try and do a little bit of surfing up there, check in, and get on to road trip day 2. Right, it's time to hit the road, Jack. We've got food to take away to keep us going. Let's go. Right, so we've arrived in Terengganu. Again, no waves, not really a lot. We're gonna go check down here. It looks okay. Doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look terrible actually. Maybe we can get some surfing out. We're just waiting for the last guy to arrive and then find somewhere to stay. Right, okay, so we found a hotel. It's cost us around about 70 ringgit a night, which isn't terrible, so it's come to about roughly 200 odd ringgit for the 3 nights, which is great. It's hot water, no aircon, but I mean the fan is on comfortably close to our heads. I mean, like, if I stand up I could definitely touch it. Like, yeah, so I mean that's uncomfortably close to our heads. We're just means no jumping on the bed in this hotel, not that I do that. So yeah, so we are literally just chilling for a little bit, then we're gonna go out some food, have a couple of beers, and probably take it easy because competition's tomorrow and we want to surf tomorrow, and apparently the waves are gonna be really good. Right, so we are now up on to the next day. We're in Terengganu. This is our hotel right here. Cheap, cheerful. It's just what you want. You want something cheap and something easy. Now we are heading for some food over at this place over here. and we are stoked to go surfing. That's what we've come to do, and we're ready to go. First of all though, like I said, let's get some food, some nice local breakfast, then we're hitting the waves. The weather's actually not terrible, is it? The weather's okay. Got a new swimsuit on. Oh dear me. Get some food here, some fresh fruit. Try and avoid dying when we cross the road. We'll go to this, this looks like some food. Let's go here. So we've got the roti with some curry, like this, just a takeaway, and it was 2 ringgit, which is very cheap, very cheap little breakfast, perfect. Right, so we've had some food, we had a tea terek as well, and it was like 3 ringgit for roti and tea terek, which is nothing, so cheap. Now we're heading to the beach, so let's cue the surf montage. So we've just had like a short break, done a little bit of editing because I'm trying to edit as I go. We're heading back down now because they're doing the draw for the surf competition. I hope you like the little surf montage. It was fun getting out there. It was nice to get out and just do a little bit of surfing. Yeah, so we're gonna head back down there, check out, see what the competition's going to be about, see the heats and whatnot. We're ready for tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe as well. Just forgot to say that earlier on. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.